Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amir Godil and we have Dr. Sundari Durairajan here and we'll be talking about PSC exams, that is Public Service Commission. For those who don't know, these are exams conducted by each state and through these exams you get placements for clinical positions as a dental surgeon, and these are very popular exams. These are very popular posts and these are government jobs. So we'll be talking about what exactly is PSC and how to apply for these exams, how to prepare for these exams, and what should be your strategy. So over to you, Dr. Sundari.
Yeah. Hi everyone. PSC is Public Service Commission. So these are exams conducted by states of India. They will be appointed as dental officers or medical officers of that particular states. And there's one more exam called Union Public Service Commission, which is a central government job. So PSC generally stands for Public Service Commission, where they'll be appointed as medical officers all over the state. So this will be a permanent job where it's a position, it's a gazetted rank where you will be a medical officer, which where you'll be posted in one particular village or the state, and you'll be graded as grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 doctors.
Okay, great. So are these only opportunities for villages or that these are also for cities?
No, no, it is for both villages and the cities, both. It is not
Perfect. So,
restricted only to villages. It is for both. It's a gazetted government doctor.
so technically, you are saying that it'll be state-wise. These exams are
Yeah,
conducted state-wise for the placement in that individual state. So
yeah.
what is the eligibility criteria or how do you know if you should be applying for this exam? Who should apply for this
All
exam technically?
Yeah. So all licensed dentists whom are under this Dental Council of India, it
Mhm.
can be even the state registration or the central registration. Everyone is eligible for this post. There are some criterias where you will be selected according to the state, but
Mhm.
in general, all are eligible. Whoever comes under DCI norms, they are eligible to write this exam.
Okay, perfect. So anyone with a bachelor's degree in dental surgery and
Yeah.
who's licensed to practice anywhere across India can apply for
Yes.
any state exam. So
Yeah.
if UP is conducting an exam, then everyone across the nation can apply for that exam, regardless of whether they are a BDS or an MDS or they have a fellowship. They can just apply even if the minimum qualification is a BDS.
Yes. MDS or fellowship can be considered, it will not be considered as an added advantage, added professional qualification. The
Right.
minimum that we need is a bachelor's degree.
Makes sense. Okay, and what are the prospects? What do you think are the opportunities when you take up this exam? So you get to
Like,
practice dentistry and does it pay well?
yeah, definitely. It's one of the it's a secured job. Like we know what is the trend in dentistry, right? So this PSC exams they are secured government jobs where you will be given this opportunity to serve your state or wherever you're posted till 60 years. It depends on the state again. So it's a
Right.
permanent government job. You will have more salary.
Okay,
Then
and how
you can practice dentistry also.
Mhm.
There is
how
no
often are
restriction.
how often are these openings? Are these exams conducted like once a year, twice a year, always conducted or state-wise? Can you just give us an idea about the exam
No,
pattern and
it is not. No, it is not like permanent, like once a year. It depends on the number of vacancies created. Like this year, my state would give 100 vacancies. After those 100 vacancies, or after a particular number of vacancies are there, so they will host an exam. It depends on any state. Like now UPPSC has 174. This one Bihar is 83, and MPPSC they give a different number. So it depends on the number of vacancies that is created across that state.
perfect? So we have these exams conducted according to the requirements for each state. Currently, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh have things going on to conduct these exams. So we should look out for states and their PSC requirements to see what is happening on each particular state.
Y-
That's correct.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is the exam pattern? Like, is it similar to NEET MDS or is it similar to AIMS? What is the pattern of the examination, curriculum and pattern?
The syllabus would be DCI syllabus. So it's going to be NEET and INI-CET pattern only. But they focus more on this concepts because you're going to be occupied in a state, in a village, or in a rural setup. So they expect you to at least know bare minimum. So the exams will be of NEET and INI-CET standards.
Okay. So it's just the exam, only dental. What is the curriculum exactly? Just dental questions or medical questions, or is there anything else?
No, no, you have two sections. The first section would be general knowledge section, where you will be tested according to that state. Like say if I'm writing UPPSC, there'll be
Mm-hmm.
a particular set of question concerning the general knowledge of UP because
Okay.
you're gonna place there only. You're gonna be placed there only.
Mm-hmm.
And the maximum portion would be dental portion. So every PSC exam has two sections, one is general and the dental.
Okay, so there is a general knowledge aspect and there is the dental curriculum. So this is what
Yes.
is different than the other exams. The general knowledge, depending on which state you are applying, and
Yes.
then the dental questions is similar to NEET MDS and INI-CET.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And then I have also heard that people talk about these interviews about the post. So is there something else that follows? Is there a selection criteria after that too?
See, there are two things. One is the preliminary exam where you'll have this written exam that consists of two portions. One is general and one is dental. After that, once you're selected out of those from your written exam, you will have an interview. So it is always two process. It doesn't end only with your written exam. You will have an interview process where people will be interviewing you. There you will have many criteria like language preferences. Like see Odisha, they have to know that local language. In Gujarat, you have to know that Gujarati, even in written also. So there are many conditions particular to that state. So the first process is same. Like prelims is going to be your written exam.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. So each state will also lay down their own requirements for the candidates.
Yeah.
It could be linguistic or something related to their own specific requirements
Yes.
based on
Yes.
what they need. Okay,
Yes.
that's good. So, technically, suppose if I am wanting to apply for this job, what
Yeah.
advice would you have for me in with regards to the preparation? How much time do I need, or how should I start my preparation? Can you just
Okay.
give me some idea? Yeah.
This question is great because many people will think PSC exams are very different from NEET and INI-CET. It's basically the same. So once you prepare for NEET or INI-CET, like the proper 8 months or 6 months, that will be enough. And you'll have to prepare separately for this general knowledge section because it is restricting only to that part. Dental, it is same like what we have.
Mm-hmm.
The exam pattern is going to be the same, like it's NEET or INI-CET standards. So we'll take the same number of time, like the same amount of time that is required. So 6 to 8 months would be an ideal time for preparation of these exams. The only thing where we have to concentrate for this exam is the general knowledge. So you need to be hooked to the local knowledge of the state. But when it comes to the dental section, it is same. It's multiple choice question. We don't know whether it's offline or online because every state has different, like MP is online, UPPSC is offline. So that we have to check according to the like what according to the state only we will know. It's a
Okay.
multiple choice question. So you will have the same negative marking scheme there also, like NEET or INI-CET. That is very important. And you'll have the same, like say example, UPPSC has 30 general knowledge question and 120 a dental question. So your focus should be more on your dental questions and of course the general knowledge also.
Okay. So in a crux, I could say that the preparation strategy and schedule should be similar to your NEET and INI-CET, around 6 to 8 months time of preparation for these multiple choice questions.
Yeah.
Exams could be online, offline, depending on the guidelines that the state lays down. And usually more importance or more weightage is given to the dental questions, and
Yes.
say 20 to 25% would comprise of the general knowledge questions on an
Yes.
average. Okay,
Yeah.
that helps. Now, talking of the Meritas PSC pack, can you tell me something about this pack and how it works?
So we team Meritas, we have curated one pack where it is going to be very special for this PSC. So it has so like we have curated like general knowledge also and dental also with respect to that state also. Currently, we have five notifications: UPPSC, Jharkhand, OPSC, and Bihar. We are Haryana is also there. It's on the loop. So we have five exams, like five PSC exams online. So this PSC pack has so many modules. We have a set of modules for dental. First, something called tasks. Tasks are high yielding modules which has over 7,000 questions, and these questions are of NEET, INI-CET, thorough topics, important topics which needs to be done from all the levels. So after this tasks or after this modules are done, we have something called QBank, where you have 20,000 questions. First, you need to do tasks, which is of very high importance. Once you cover the task, you can go to QBank, where we give 20,000 questions. And the third one that we give is past papers, and past papers of that particular PSC exams. Like say UPPSC, we give the past papers of UPPSC, and next PSC comes, we'll give the past next PSC, like whatever relevant to that state. And finally, we have this GK section where you have seven subsections in covering particular state, like politics, history, like you have seven subtopics, like seven subsections in it, where we will be covering for each and every state. So it is a cumulative pack where you get access to both dental and general. So I would say it's just all in one hand, where you can just access both dental and your general knowledge.
Okay, that's amazing because getting access to those previous year question papers could be difficult. And when you have all the general knowledge questions also in the same place to practice, it makes a lot of difference.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. And also, Dr. Sundari, a lot of students, even we recommend taking up mocks before the exam so that you are acquainted with the whole process and the practice of it. We do that for NEET, we do that for INI-CET. How do we tackle this here? Do we have any mocks for PSC exams as well?
Yeah, so this is where our part comes mainly. So for each and every state, we have 5 to 10 mocks per state, where it's an all India pan India participation, which means everyone across India can write, and
Okay.
you'll have the same analysis and like analysis. So after this analysis, overall analysis, including the GK and the dental, you will know that what is the strength that is participating, who are all like you can just estimate how where are you in across
Right.
pan India. So this mocks you will have 5 to 10 per state. So we will be giving those mocks also in that pack. So I would say it's just one in hand preparation where you get access to both GK and dental. Only one thing what we need to be very like little curious is the current affairs. Current affairs keeps updating every day. So
Right.
just follow some popular social media pages. So you get hooked on to current affairs. Rest everything, you just one pack and that's all it is enough.
Of course, this is a government job, so you need to be
Yeah,
well versed with the current affairs, and that's what they even usually put in the exams. Okay, that
yes.
was a great insight on the PSC exams, Dr. Sundari. Just to summarize the whole conversation from today's video, we
Yeah.
have been speaking about PSC exams, that Public Service Commission organized, conducted by each states for gazetted officers, dental officers in individual villages, cities, depending on the vacancy. So the guidelines are laid down by the state depending on whenever they want to conduct the exam. The exam pattern is similar to NEET MDS and INI-CET. It is a multiple choice question exam, can be online or offline depending on
Yes.
the state, and it has negative marking. The curriculum comprises of dental questions and general knowledge questions. More weightage is given to dental questions. General knowledge questions, depending on which state exam you are applying to. The preparation strategy and schedule is similar to your NEET MDS, but it requires a little more well-versed idea of current affairs and general knowledge because that is also a part of the curriculum.
Yes.
And it pays well. It's a good permanent job. It's a good position with a lot of clinical experience that
Obviously.
you can gain out of this. And it's a very reputable, respectable job. And there are a lot of competitors, like a lot of participants across the nation that can apply for each specific state too. So keep your eyes on these exams, and we have all you need to prepare for this exam on the NEET MDS app, the
Yes.
Meritas app. So with this, Dr. Sundari and myself will take your leave. Hope you found this
Yeah.
video useful, and thank you so much for watching.
Yeah. Best wishes to everyone who is preparing.
All the
Thank you.
best.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.